Good morning, everyone. My name is Anna, and I am a second year student here at Medicine Hat College, and I am also a second year Rattler, and I would like to welcome you to MHC's YouTube channel. Today, I will be taking you through my tips and tricks to start the school year off right, and also throughout the week so you can see how it looks to be a college student. So, let's go. Today, me and my friend went to Starbucks to start planning. It's really important to put all of your due dates in your calendars beforehand. You can never plan too far in advance. I even put some of my midterms and exams in, even to December. Studying outside of your house can really help refresh your brain and just make your house not seem so stressful because you always study there, and it can be somewhere where you can actually relax. Going over your course outlines before the first day of class is extremely helpful because you can pay more attention to what your teacher is saying inside of class, and it just helps you be more prepared. We made a quick Costco trip because nutrition is really important and meal prepping is awesome. The school has so many different activities for you to do. I know as an athlete, going to all the sporting events is awesome, and I know from personal experience that when people come to support us, it's awesome. I love playing in front of a big crowd, so get out there and support your student athletes. Good morning, guys. Today is the first day of school, so come along with me to get organized for the rest of the school year. Let's go. I went to my advisor this morning, and the advisors here are so great. You can go to them for any help or questions that you have for your course specifically in your program. And then I went to the bookstore. You can get any of your textbooks here and any other school supplies, and of course some Medicine Hat College merch, because who doesn't want some more of that? Make sure you find your classes before school starts. It's really important to not be late for the first day of class, and this just eliminates so much stress on the first day when you know where you're going. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Everybody here at the college is here to support you and your academic journey, and they all want you to succeed. So ask for help, use the college resources while they're available, and use them properly. And that is it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below, and I hope that you found my tips helpful. And yeah, thanks for watching.